Shalam Saab has sent this question from Chittagong. He says, is cancer a genetical disease?
Cancer is both genetical and non-genetical. If it is genetical, it's very difficult to cure, very hard to cure indeed, and it affects the cell deep into the myth of the cells, and it's very difficult to eradicate. But some cancers are not genetical. People suffer from those cancers later on in their lives because of wrong medications. The fact is that the incidence of cancer is increasing many folds with the progress of age, because in allopathy suppressive drugs are given so that the disease is pushed deeper and deeper inside, with the result that at a time the system reacts against those diseases and those medicines, and the medicine fail to produce effect on the patients. You may go on increasing the number of pills, but they fail to produce effect at a certain stage. Then the cancer begins. Cancer is a sort of rebellion of the body against outside oppression. So these cancers are not genetical, and they are comparatively easier to cure, and the genetical cancers are, I doubt if they are curable at all.